Well, as I'm walking down here, let's see, the chickens are going to hear my voice. Hey, girls, what's going on? What's going on? Come on out and see me. Look how fat you are. Everyone says you're too fat, that you're getting too much food. Oh, it might be true. If you would thin up a little bit, people wouldn't be looking at you as soup. Well, we don't. We know that you are egg layers for us, and we're so happy about that. Hey, come on out, girls. Come on. There's 75 of you over here, and there's like 300 of you over there. 75 of them can't get out, but the others can. And they're all having fun outside, just playing and sitting in the sun. They've all had breakfast. And here we are. Look at them all. They're coming out, you girls. Looking good. Looking good. This is our update on the chickens. Look how big they're getting. Can you imagine? In just a short period, the families are going to be getting these girls great big chickens who are laying eggs, 1 per day per chicken. And we are going to be able to put vital protein into the hands of those that don't have jobs, that are distressed, orphaned, widowed, and in deep trouble. We're so grateful for your partnership. You bought these chickens, and we're caring for them, and together we're partnering to make sure that the poorest of the poor are set. Wow. Hey, girls, what do you think? Are you going to talk to me? Anyone going to talk? What do you think? They're saying thank you. They're saying thank you for sponsoring us. We're going to work hard for a long, long time. Isn't that true?